Using a 22mm socket, we're going to go ahead and remove the lug nuts and take the wheel off the vehicle. So here is the connector we want to disconnect right underneath the passenger side exhaust manifold. There are 2 squeeze tabs on each side. You want to pinch those in, wiggle that connector. If it doesn't want to come loose, go ahead and use a pair of pliers. And go ahead and grab those little tabs there and gently squeeze and wiggle the connector down. I'm going to get a 13mm socket on this with an extension and a swivel. You can also get to this from underneath the vehicle. And go ahead and get that bolt installed through the sensor. I'm going to use both hands for this to try and reach in and hold it in place while you get that bolt started. Now I'm up underneath the vehicle. Let's see if we can go ahead and get that snug down. And just snug that into place. And go ahead and grab your connector, line that back up, wiggle that back up and into place, and fit that lock in. Go and get the wheel installed here. Go ahead and snug down the lug nuts. I'm going to go ahead and torque the lug nuts to 135 foot-pounds.